This particular headline is Building Too Many EV Battery Factories. The report makes bold claims. Global EV battery capacity exceeds demand, and North America and Europe have overbuilt by 2x, China by 5x. On the surface, that sounds dire, but when you actually examine the questionable data and assumptions behind the report, you get a more complicated, and in some cases, their conclusions, ALEX Partners' conclusions, simply don't hold. So the report collapses battery demand into one category, that's passenger EVs. This is a fundamental modeling flaw. Demand does not equal battery demand does not equal passenger vehicle demand. Today we have grid scale storage accelerating faster than any other application, yet none of these high growth areas appear meaningfully in the ALEX Partners. The report also treats global battery capacity as fungible. This is just not the case. LFP cells built in China are not substitutes for NMC cells required for U.S. tax credit eligible SUVs, vice versa. China has overcapacity, but China's capacity cannot simply be poured into North America or Europe. But building a 2030 forecast based on what's happened in the past 18 months is short-sighted. So the real takeaway isn't that we've overbuilt battery factories, it's that we've built ahead of the demand curve, diversifying across EVs, grid storage, heavy duty, industrial electrification. If you look behind the headlines, the narrative of a looming battery glut is just not supported by a full spectrum view of the market. In fact, the biggest risk may be that stakeholders interpret this report as a signal to slow investment, just when the broader electrification ecosystem is about to accelerate.